Alright, what's on the run? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I'm doing is I'm showing y'all everything I picked up in the last month. So some of the stuff you have seen and some of it you haven't. I mean, just some of it I've decided to show and some of the other stuff I haven't decided to show for the purpose of this video and just because I didn't get to it. So this is going to be a fun video, I hope. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. If you think you will enjoy it, then go ahead, subscribe for more future videos. You can go check my Christmas vlog from yesterday. Y'all blew up the comments on that because I was giving away some stickers on that video. It's ended, so you don't gotta go comment no more. I'm about to pick the winner today and then I'll announce it tomorrow. But y'all commented and there's like over 1,500 comments. Like, that's crazy. 1,500 comments. Like, I can't even believe that. Like, y'all went crazy for a little giveaway just for Christmas. I'll definitely do more in the future because that was insane. But yeah, drop that like. I'm trying to get 100 likes and subscribe. I don't know if I already said that, but maybe I did. Sorry, it's still early in the morning. I'm pretty tired. But yeah, we're gonna get straight into this. I'm gonna show you guys my pickups from this month. So yeah, and let's try and hit 100 likes. Forgot to say that, but now let's get started. So how about we go over the stuff that I haven't showed you all first. So the first thing, and this is nothing crazy, I'm about to show y'all my shoes because that's also something I copped that I haven't showed you all, but it's this watch. I have showed you all this one. It was in my video yesterday. It's something I picked up at the end of the month. It's a red Invicta watch. And as you can see, it has a red face. I have to go get it resized because the band doesn't fit your boy. Because they put it on the biggest size band whenever you order online. But this is a fire watch. I love it. Gotta go get it resized today, so I'm probably gonna do that early because, you know, I'm trying to wear the watch. Like, hopefully they can do it right in front of me. But I definitely recommend like an Invicta watch. It's really nice quality. It's like sterling silver around the watch face, and I think it's just steel for the rest of it. But it may be straight sterling, I'm not sure. But like, look at the quality on it. It's very nice. So I'm very happy about this pickup. Shout out my mom, you know, picked this one up for me for Christmas. On Black Friday sale, I found this. It was like 80% off. So instead of it being like $600, it was like $120. So your boy got the steal on this Invicta watch. Very happy about it. Comes in a dope case. I mean, this is a pretty sick watch case. Like, I can't even lie. Like, pretty solid, you know? It seems really professional. So shout out Invicta. Shout out the store I copped it from on Black Friday for giving me the deal. It did sell out, which is dope. So yeah, limited little watch for Christmas as a gift. First little pickup I had this month. The second other one that I had this month, this isn't any particular order, but this Lacoste bag was another thing that I got this month. As you can see, it's just a little shoulder bag, so, you know, just put it over the shoulder like that, and, you know, you just wear it across. You know, you're going out with the boys, just, you know, chilling like this, and hey, you know, chilling like the villain, you know. Yeah, this bag's pretty nice. I like the navy. I got it to match a jacket, which I'll show you all later. You probably have seen that one, or you definitely have, maybe. I mean, if you've watched my Black Friday shopping video, you guys can go check that one out from like a month ago. That was like late November, so this was a late November cop, but it is within the time frame of a month. You know, if you're cutting it like that, this isn't just straight December cops. But another little thing I got is the Lacoste bag. I can't remember how much this one cost me, but it was on Black Friday, so it was cheaper. But I want to show you all some of the details on this bag. You can see it's like pressed into the leather. I think this is leather. I'm pretty set in that. Or basically they just pressed into the Lacoste right here, so it's just like pressed into it, which I think is pretty cool. And then, you know, the leather quality, which is really nice. And then they got like the silver zipper and strap and all that, which I really like that they have like all that on it. So it's my mom talking. Basically, another thing I got, the Lacoste bag. Caught this one last month. One of my favorite pickups. I've used it a couple of times. It can hold a good amount of stuff. Like, here, I don't want to destroy it, but spacey bag. Got a lot of space in it. If that's a term, a spacey bag. I don't know. But the next thing, and you all know about this, I did the video on this literally when I copped it like a few days ago. Like, this is very recent pickup. Was the Supreme bandana box logo. This is like one of my greatest cops of all time, I'd say, and I'm very happy to have this one. You can tell it's just a hoodie. I'm gonna put it on, of course, just show y'all what it looks like. Cozy boys, activate. So as you can tell, I'm wearing the full red fit right now because I got red sweatpants on too. So you know, I guess that's how it is. But basically, here's how the hoodie looks. It's super comfortable, keeps you very warm for sure. And I'm really glad that I caught this one. Like, I want to show you all the quality on this box logo. Like, up close, you can see the embroidery. Supreme killed the embroidery on this. I love how they patched this one on, or embroidered it on. Like, it's all the stitched on. Then you just basically have all the letters embroidered. And that's usually what they do with the hoodies. I don't think there's only one hoodie that is screen printed that I know of. I think it's a Supreme holographic one, but correct me on that if I'm incorrect. But yeah, very happy to have this one. Probably my favorite cop out of all of them that I'm going to show you on. Definitely probably the most expensive one behind the watch, but I got that one on sale, so it was cheaper. So if I actually talking about which one I paid the most for, was this one, but definitely one of my favorite cops. Actually, the favorite cop. I mean, it's a whole box logo. I'm crazy about this, so very happy that I copped this. And you know, I guess the next pickup that I had was the red sweatpants that go with it. So your boy chilling right now. And also another cop that I had, aside from these red sweatpants, oh, my sock. These red sweatpants are from the 80s. They're vintage. They got no pockets on them. So, you know, I'm gonna have to put stuff in the hoodie pocket if I'm wearing this. But another thing that I got off of Amazon, $20, heavily recommend it. You know, if you wake up in the morning, you can sleep in these. I did yesterday since I forgot to take them off. I got up and took them off at like 4 a.m. So like, there you go. But Izod slippers. This isn't no hypebeast pickup, but this is a great essential. I think these things are like 20 bucks on Amazon. I got them with Prime shipping and all that, and like I got them here in like a day, and they've lasted me pretty good. I've had them for like a couple weeks. You can see like there's a little stitching thing there, but like there's no big deal. Like there's no big problem on this, and it's just a little Izod slipper. Very comfy, affordable, and you know, if you need some slippers because you don't want to be walking around in your house with shoes, then dude, these are literally 20 bucks. I like actually recommend these pretty like heavily. Like these are dope, and you know, some of the comfy slippers out there. No lie, I can't lie to you on that. Like these are nice. Shout out to Izod for throwing the deal too. Like $25 for some good slippers. Like I'll cop. Yeah. Time to remove the hoodie though. Look how I look right now. I also have this Palace tee. I found my Palace tee again. It was in like my laundry, like way bottom from like a couple months ago, and I found it again, so I'm happy about that. But going over it one more time, you can just check the embroidery right there. It's fresh. Supreme did a great job on this, so we're gonna set this down nicely. And the next cop, I'll show you all these ones because I did have some recent cops on my chain. So another cop, I got this one a few days ago, would be, oh, y'all see my little chin hairs right there? Yeah, I need to shave those off. But we got the Dior chain. Y'all may be able to see that because it's trying to focus on my chin hairs. But you can see a little Dior chain of some sterling silver, and you know, I like that one. It was just a little chain, and I got this one yesterday for Christmas too. Found this one on the deal. This is 24mm rope chain. Not a rope chain. This is not a rope chain at all. I don't know what kind of length this is. I'm trying to figure it out, but this is straight sterling silver. I'm very happy about this. You see, I got a lot of chains now, and I mean, I like wearing chains. So like, it goes with my style, kind of, you know. And I just mess with rocking a lot of chains, so I'll definitely maybe copping more in the future. One that kind of fits in between these two, you know, so it's a big like gap. So I may need another to, you know, follow through. You see what I mean? You know, you're trying to coordinate my stuff, but huge fan of this. It's an 8mm chain, so 8mm, 24 inches. It's from Ross Simmons. It came with like a cleaning kit and all that, which is dope, so I can clean my other jewelry. But as you can see, straight sterling silver, very clean, and you know, sort of goes nicely with the other ones. I'm very happy about my chains. You know, I've been working on trying to cop some nice ones. I finally got a lot of nice ones, so I'm pretty happy about that. And another pickup, the Ross Simmons 8mm, 24-inch sterling silver 9.25 chain. That was corny, bro. But the next cop, I copped this one for the huge steal. It was the off-white tee. As you can tell, this one needs to go through the wash because, I mean, it's all wrinkled up. Someone recommended I need to iron my tees more, and I agree. As you can tell, just off right there from off-white. And then there's nothing on the front other than when you get down to here. I can't remember what this says. Oh yeah, heavy, heavy. This is like that 2016 off-white type height, 2017 type off-white height. And you know, there you go on the back. This is the straight part that I mean, like, you know, where it came from, the 2016, 2017. Like, this is an old off-white tee. I got it in really good condo, dead stock pretty much. You can tell, you know, it's just a white tee. And has white on the back and the stripes, so you know, you can tell it's off-white. But yeah, this is a total 2017, 2016 hypebeast right here. Off-white, when they used to make designs like this, printing these designs on the flannels and things like that. Like, that was the straight 2016, 2017 off-white. So shout out Virtual. And you know, this is a little tee that I cop, and you know, very happy about this one. You know, part of the monthly pickups, you know, so glad to have this one. Yeah, you know, I like the little thing like up here, the little off. It's just like something simple, so you know, if you're wearing like a jacket over it, you can see that part and you see nothing else, and you know, maybe see like the bottom of the tee where it says like heavy, heavy and all that. So I like this tee. And you know, it's solid. Shout out Off-White for real. The next cop I want to show y'all, I don't think I showed this one, but I think I set it aside. Louis wallet. I got a Gucci wallet and a Louis wallet now. I have not used this one, but this one's pretty cool. As you can tell, it's kind of older, but I mess with like the whole style, you know. You see like the marks on it like there and there, but like, you know, I mess with this one for sure. It's something simple, you know. My Gucci wallet's much bigger than this one. Like, I have a gigantic wallet and I definitely need to replace that, so I may be replacing it with this one, you know, to go with my phone case too. As you can tell, there you go, phone case matches. Shout out Skins for the phone case, but you tell these match. There's different colors. I think I may be coordinating and switching it up, so I may be using this phone case and this wallet. I think that would look better. So another part of the monthly pickups, we got the Louis Vuitton wallet. I got this one for the low. And yeah, 100% authentic, 'cause, you know, your boy don't rock with fakes at all. I don't mess with no fakes. Get that out of here. And next up, this one is not hypebeast, but this is one that I got for running. This is the Garmin running watch. You can tell my wrist skinny as anything, but you know, your boy gonna hit the gym and stuff like that. And also, you know, this one fits because it got like the adjustable band. But this watch is pretty dope. Like, it can like track my steps and stuff. Like, look, it tracks my heart rate, notifications, total steps today. It's 9 a.m. so I only got like 2K steps. You can tell your boy's been working out a little bit, but yeah, you can tell it's pretty sick, and I love this watch. So shout out Garmin, and shout out my mom for copping this one too, because I was like, I need some motivation to get me outside running because I'm on the track team. So this one's pretty sick, and I'm glad that I got this. because, you know, it keep me fit. So, you know, after this video, I'm probably gonna edit this, go for a run, you know, like, I got a good day ahead. So shout out my mom for this one too. She only caught the watch in this one, but the rest of them I caught myself, so don't try and try me on. And it was for Christmas, so don't come at your boy. All right, come on now. Oh, actually forgot. She also got me these, and that was all that I got for Christmas. You can go check the vlog from yesterday, see what I got. But next up, we got these dead stock. I still need to wear them. I'll probably wear them today. We got the dead stock Nike Air Force One. I know a lot of people that really like Air Force Ones, and I'm a huge Air Force One fan myself. So I'm definitely super happy that I got these. I mean, you know, they're just Air Force Ones, bro. Like, come back to see me rocking with the Air Force Ones. I'll be rocking with them. Like, if you can't mess with these, then I don't know. But like, bottoms are clean and everything. Like, the soles, just fresh. Size 10 and a half, because that's what your boy wears now. So yeah, these are sick, and I mess with these heavy. So shout out my mom and shout out Nike, you know. I need another pair of Air Force Ones, and we got them right here, so these dope. And next up, this is the final one on that I'm showing. That this is the one that goes with the shoulder bag. This is a Lacoste like puffer jacket kind of, just a big Lacoste jacket. I'm rocking the slippers right now, but you can tell this is like a bigger Lacoste jacket. I really like how it looks on me. You know, I think it fits. This is the bag that goes with it. So you see what I was coordinating with this in the bag. I really messed with it. And you know, I thought it was cool. You know, the bag goes over, you just rock the jacket with it. You know, it's kind of nice and just something simple, fresh. And now I got the chains too, so you know, I really messed with this fit. And obviously it's winter time, so I will be wearing this. I can wear it with the red sweatpants or whatever I'm wearing that day. But yeah, you know, shoulder bag pressed in to the leather. You know, you got the Lacoste logo on this one. You know, you got the Lacoste logo right here, and I think it says it on the back, maybe, I'm not too sure. This is just something more subtle, but I really messed with this one, so happy about that cop, and definitely happy about the shoulder bag too. But those are all my monthly pickups pretty much. Don't really have too much more to say. Messed with Lacoste jacket, Supreme BOGO, and Victor watch, Louis wallet, shoes. We had a lot of cops in the last sort of month time frame, but we're gonna get more, of course. We're gonna try and keep copping more as we keep posting more videos, getting up there, you know what I mean. I'm on my grind right now. But yeah, hope you guys did enjoy this video, and let's roll that outro. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, guys. If you want more content like this, please go ahead, subscribe below, and also drop that like. Don't forget, we're trying to hit 100 likes in this video, so if we could do that, that'd be dope. And you know, again, late Merry Christmas to everybody. If you celebrate Christmas, then of course Merry Christmas coming from me. I'll pick the sticker giveaway for whoever commented the most yesterday. Tomorrow on Friday, I'll pick that winner, since it was obviously yesterday on Wednesday. But I don't have too much more to say other than follow my Instagrams down below. Tristan, Wick, COT Steals. They're linked in the description. Y'all can follow those. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm Tristan. Y'all are dope. Seriously, for supporting me every day. And yeah, I'm Tristan. Thanks for watching. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.